your home is important to you. Keeping it safe, that's what we're here to do. Dye Plumbing and Heating, we're second to none. Call 362-6251. We're the helpful ones. Dye Plumbing and Heating. Give Dye a try. Call 362-6251. We're the helpful ones. Dye Plumbing and Heating. Give Dye a try. Call 362-6251.